This episode of FUM0020 machining is the third part of my Eastern holidays back in Finland. It was supposed to be a two-part only, but the material, well, I didn't want to get it wasted, so I made a third part. In this we look into the articulating head of the milling machine, and I make a test run with the automatic feeds. Let's see how they work.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Nordenskjold in car 2. Turn left onto Nordenskjold in car 2, Nordenskjold skate in.
Okay, so this is the business end of this milling machine, and yes, what I can see here is that when I took it off, all the noise that were present with the high gear vanished. So we might have a case of bad bearings here. First thing I noticed is that all these scraping is still there. Well, probably this surface doesn't move that much. So let's see. Okay, here we have, okay. I believe this is just locking the bearings in place. Okay, let's put it back so I don't lose it. What I noticed is that this one has springs here, and one of the springs were lost already. So let's see if I can take some of this really old grease out of there. Oh, okay. Where do I put this? I need some place to put it into. Okay, there you put it. Okay, there is a... Oh, okay. Okay, doesn't look too bad. How do I do this in the way that... Okay. Yummy. Well, this grease doesn't do a lot of oiling when it's sitting there on the sides. I don't know whether this cavity should be filled with grease actually. Oh, that would be funny, but yeah, it might be the case. I don't know. How do I... Okay. I just wonder how old is this stuff. And should it be like this? That's another thing. Well, I do have some grease, but I don't know. Okay, let's see then. This is that. Let's tighten these so that they don't drop out. Okay. Okay, it's so, well, this has seen some life. Looks like we have, well, it's the same thing. They painted it while it was having, oh, now it's dropping into there. I don't like that. Okay, doesn't need to be that clean. The hole needs to be clean, yes. Well, okay, have these grease fittings here. I believe these are for the bearings. Okay, and this one is for the other bearing. Okay. Well, the teeth do not seem too bad, at all bad. When I look at them, they... Well... So how do you put grease into there? Just... or... Well, probably that's the case. You just put it there. Okay. But this grease is no good, or it looks like that. And maybe I should get a little bit more out of there. Well, it's pretty hard to get out. Okay. So, well, the surface isn't too damaged. Well, these holes are for indexing. And, they seem to have bushings. Every hole seems to have a hardened bushing. This is cast iron, and then they have put bushings on each hole. And this is for precision indexing. There is an indexing system in this one, so you can put it in 45 degrees and then direct, and then these are, I believe, you can put it on different angles. Huh. Neat system, really. Okay, oh. Let's see what's inside here. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Super adhesive grease. Should stick. Okay. How do I get it out of here neatly? Okay, just put it like this. Yeah. I don't know whether this is the correct way, but at least you have some grease there. How much? Well, I don't know if it's a bad thing to have a lot. What I know, it's a bad thing to have nothing there. That's certainly a really bad thing. Okay, let's roll it the other way. And again, I believe some 1,000 machinists are turning in their graves, saying it's way too much. Well, looks funny. At least it doesn't well, this grease is for the gear, and well, there you are. There you are. Wow. Ugh. Oh yeah. And then I have this thing. Now let's okay. No. I just wonder where is it going? I don't see it coming out. Oh, now I see it coming out. So this is actually going inside, you can see, okay, and then that one. This one then. This is also going inside. Okay, and also to the side from here. Okay. Now. We do have grease in there. Hopefully this is the correct decision to put grease into there. Well, there was grease, so, and now that we have even more grease. So, let's see. Now I put it back where it belongs to. Okay. Now I have connected the feed motor. And let's see how this works. This is the feed. Oh yeah. This. Well, and this one here. Very good. Everything seems to work, at least. There is not much of oil, but let's see what I can do for that. But this will be after 2 months. Okay? So, and then I found out why this spindle made a lot of noise. It was dry, completely dry inside. I mean, there are 2 sets of gears, one that we saw and another which is hidden behind these these ones. When you take these out, these are long rods, then you can see the other gear, and then you can put grease on that one. And that one was completely dry, and after I put some grease there, it's silent. Okay, so this ends up the milling machine operations in Finland this time. Later there will be a little bit more. Well, this was the final part of the Eastern Holidays trilogy. Well, in the next episode I will go into the speed modulator. I finally got I have something here, and we are going to see what are those. So till then, bye!